Mic check 1 2. Mic check 1 2. Oh, I don't have any eyelashes on. I don't look so bad on camera. I should stop feeling like I need to put on some falsies just to be on camera. Because sometimes I'm like, oh, I want to film, but I look like crap, so I don't want to film. You guys, YouTube is a whole industry. Like, if you don't put your best face forward, you're probably not gonna get those sponsorships deal. But, I don't look so bad without my falsies on. So today we are going to be doing a first impression video. I don't even know how to first impression anymore. I mean, the last time I did that was what, a year, 2 years ago on the Silly Sponge. But I told myself I'm never gonna buy anything to just do a video for YouTube, because what happens is I don't end up doing the video and then I just wasted money on that product, and then I end up finding it like 4 or 5 months later on, and I'm like, oh, well, this sucks. So yeah, that's why I'm here making this video. So then I feel like I'm putting some effort behind buying this thing. Where was I going with all that? Like, let me actually open up this video with like a hello, because that was totally rude of me to not say hi to you guys. So hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a first impression video, and this is the product. Da, 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 focus. Da, 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 da. You guys know about magnetic lashes, right? Like last year, I think a brand came out with a set of magnetic lashes for like $70, which is insane. And it only like went in about a third of the eye and it like flared out. And I don't know what happened to that business, because China got a hold of this idea and decided to mass produce some off-brands of their own. And it's also on Amazon now. And so you see those for like around $14 to $16. I don't know if I have horrible memory or I just don't have a good memory when it comes to the prices of things, because my brain is like, ugh, you spent how much on what? On that trauma of like throwing money to Target is so horrible that you just like forget about it. So I don't remember how much I spent on this, which is horrible. You should always know how much money you spend on things. All right, I am struggling to open this up because I just painted my nails, and where's a man when you need one? Oh, he's at his 9 to 5. Okay, you guys, this is not a true unboxing, by the way. I did actually take a peek of it earlier, and that's the reason why one of the lashes is a little jank. So yeah, don't blame me. The curiosity inside of me just killed the cat. That poor cat. The reason why I was really interested in this is because they're full sets of lashes. The one that I saw were just going in like a third of the way, which I think is kind of weird, because what if you're Asian? And you guys know us Asian girls like have struggles with their lashes. They're full lashes, they're full wispies. These are pretty much the Ardell wispy lashes, but you get 2 sets. And the reason why is because one is for the upper, and then the other one is for the under. So basically, like, you know how magnets works, you need 2 of them to, what is this? What is this? You need 2 of them for it to adhere to each other, and it's going to sandwich your lashes and hold it there with the magnetic mechanism. For once, I'm gonna actually read the directions. I'm gonna get really up close and personal here. I know, I understand. We have personal space and all that stuff. So, okay, so I have are these the right pair? Okay, the right one, this is the upper, and this is the lower. And my phone just told me I made a sale on my sticker shop. If you haven't noticed, I do have a sticker shop. Sidetrack, I get so excited when someone places an order, because like it kind of lets me in on the psyche of this person, and I get to see what they ordered, and then you kind of like know their personality a little bit. I know it's intrusive, okay? I call it marketing research. Oh no, I totally got confused. What is the upper and the lower again? Okay, got it. Oh yeah, oh, that magnetic situation. It's like they're meant to be. I'm sorry, you guys. You're gonna have to see my shiny, porous face. I don't know. I'm gonna lean in really close. You guys can see I haven't plucked my eyebrow in the duration of Grudy's life. And okay, I'm gonna stick this right on top, like that. And oh my gosh, don't blink. Okay, and then I gotta place this underneath. This makes me sad. Okay, let's try this again. And get the upper. Maybe it's because I'm doing on the viewfinder. I'm struggling so much. It's a little bit better. I think if I had a mirror, I would not struggle at all. Hold on, let me try this again with the mirror. I so badly wanted this to work, you guys. It makes me a little sad. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Okay, I was like hoping that if it worked, then I'll wear it for the rest of the day, and hello, darkness, my old friend. this could have worked. My eyes are not as wide set as whoever these are made for. And because of that, they don't fit on my eyes correctly. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to get my money back because, you know, I looked at it and I was like, oh man, this could really, really work. Maybe I need to play with it a little bit more. All right, you guys, I am back and I'm not gonna quit this. This is gonna work. I'm gonna make it work because I dropped the Ardell box on the floor. Grudy grabbed a hold of it and now I can't return it. So I was like, I gotta make this work. There has to be something that I gotta do to make this work. And as you guys can see, it's been around 5 hours since I filmed that first part, so my face is oily. And it is what it is. But I did watch a couple of videos and I did learn a couple of tips and tricks on how to get it to finally work. And I'm actually really, really impressed. So as you guys can see, the left eye is clearly lashed on. And I was really, really surprised how much better this worked. The only issue is, as all hacks goes, you have to think, is the hack worth it? I figured maybe this will work for me too. And I've seen a lot of people try these magnetic lashes. The thing is that they're not Asian, and so, you know, you just don't know, because us Asian girls, we have troubles with our lashes, and I was able to get it to work. So first and foremost, I tried it again with my lashes curled. That did not work. It did nothing, absolutely nothing. The second time I did it with some mascara on. It helped a little bit because it gripped the lashes a little bit more and it feels like it wasn't just gonna slide off. However, again, the fit was not correct. So this time I'm trying a hack, and basically it's just chopping up the lashes, which kind of sucks, but here we are. So I'm gonna show you guys how I did it. I did not chop up the right lash because I wanted to demonstrate on this video here. The first thing I'm going to do is I am going to shorten the lashes because they are kind of long. They kind of go about a 1/4 inch beyond my real lashes, which is kind of a situation here. So I'm going to trim up the top and the bottom lashes to, if you can, try to get the magnet as close to the end as you can. So as you can see, that's the end here and there's a magnet. Luckily for me, my eye fits kind of close to the third magnet, which is right here, if you guys can see that. So it's more closer at this end. So I'm just gonna cut right here. And there we go. And I'm gonna do that to the upper piece as well. So here's the upper piece. See that magnet right there? My eye kind of ends up right over here. So here we go. Okay, so what you want to do is try to even out the hairs along with the magnet. So you guys see this magnet right here? You want the hairs to kind of just be like equidistant from that magnet, if that makes any sense. Snip right here, and then, so snip right here, just like that. So that's the end piece. And then we have the middle piece, that's the magnet, it's the hairs, snip. Does that make sense? You know, you try to keep the magnet and the hairs kind of equidistant from each other so that it's nicely dispersed. Okay, so I'm gonna demonstrate this on my right eye. Okay, just because the viewfinder is like on the right hand side and the lens is here, so yeah. So the best thing to do is to have some mascara on. If you place the lashes on top, the mascara kind of gives it a little bit of grip and a way for it to balance itself. Because if you just have your regular lashes without any mascara, it's kind of limpy. And so when you place this on top, it like droops down and you can't really work with it. I just have some mascara, just use the cheapest mascara you have because obviously you're gonna put these lashes on top. You know, so why use your like expensive Giorgio Armani or whatnot, you know? Okay, so I just place it right on top, just like this. And it's nice and balanced, which is the reason why you need the mascara. So the next thing you wanna do is you're gonna take your tweezers, and you're gonna hold it at the very end as far away as you can from the magnet, because the magnet will try to stick itself to the tweezer. So hold it like that. Hold it parallel to the band like that. This is gonna suck because I'm doing this on a viewfinder and I can't see. You go underneath like that. And it should just like stick itself, if that makes sense. Then you take your middle piece, go underneath like that, and it should stick itself. I'm doing a horrible job right now because I cannot see on the viewfinder. Okay, so now you take your inner piece and you kind of just hover underneath, and it sticks like that. Okay, This is really frustrating because you can do it, except I can't see in the viewfinder, so it looks like I'm struggling a little bit more, so I'm gonna go fix it really quick. Okay, so I got both of them on, and they feel like regular falsy lashes. You know, there is some weight. I do feel them, but they're still comfortable. And this one right here, I should have held it closer to my eye. Hold on, let me fix this. So I have both of them on, and so now I am going to try to wear them for the rest of the day just to see if they stay on all day. As far as application goes, I think after you trim them up, they're really easy to put on. Here, the thing with me is I'm really fast at applying my falsies. I have no problem with them at all. I just think that, you know, lately sometimes the adhesive has been making my eyes water a little bit, and I don't know if it's with age thing. I don't know if it's just because I'm tired a lot more often with mommyhood, but I can tell you that I am pretty fast at it. So having magnetic lashes is one of those things where I'm like, okay, I want to see if this is actually going to be quicker than applying on my adhesive. I think it's almost the same amount of time, especially if I have to, you know, swoop on mascara before I put on the lashes. So I guess it's just one of those things where whatever is closest to me, whatever I feel like wearing. I don't think it's gonna be a replacement for my falsies. Again, it's one of those things where like it's a novelty, right? The moment it starts to get more popular and other brands are doing it, it's gonna get cheaper. So we'll wait for that and see how that turns out. But honestly, you can also make your own magnetic lashes. Now that I look at these, I think I might attempt that in a DIY or for a next video or something. But we're gonna try them out and see for the rest of the day if it is worth it. I'm sorry you guys, I have this pimple right here that's totally distracting and taking away from a video, but I also really don't care. But I can also filter my face in the video, so is that better or is it just creepy now? So yeah, what do you guys think? I think they look kind of great. I mean, I don't we're gonna wear them for the rest of the day and see how they do, and see if it can handle being windblown. So we'll see, and then we'll be right back for a final thought. Okay, I am back with absolute final thought. I ended up wearing these for 3 days straight, you guys. I wore them running errands with Grudy. I wore them in the rain. I wore them when the wind is blasting in my face. I wore them while I was holding Grudy and she's slapping me in the face. I wore them. I really did test them out for like, what, 72 hours? Well, I went to bed, of course, and I took them off. But I tested them for about 12 to 14 hours a day, and you guys, they really did stay on. I am actually wearing them again today because I just kind of enjoy them so much. And you guys, sometimes beauty products don't surprise me very much because, you know, when it comes down to it, like a lot of things are just copying each other, and then you don't run into a lot of innovative ideas or innovative things anymore. And so when I find something that I'm just like, whoa, that worked, I kind of get a little excited. So yeah, they have just been really surprisingly really awesome. So I don't know what else to say. I wore them. They stay on all day. If you have a baby, if you're, you know, going through a thunderstorm, they do stay on. But the caveat is you have to have mascara on. I tried it one day without mascara, and honestly within an hour they kind of just started sliding off because there was nothing for the magnets to grip on. So the biggest tip I can give you is throw on some mascara. For a better fit, you have to chop them up. You have to hack the lashes. I know it sucks. It's one of those things where you're like, I don't really want to modify the things that I buy. I'm gonna throw this out there, but I betcha the more chopped up lashes that we do on YouTube, the more hacks that we do on YouTube with magnetic lashes, I guarantee you that these magnetic lash companies will start to get the hint, and they will start selling them in chopped up pieces, just like the hack that we are doing right now. If that prediction does come true, y'all need to let me know, because sometimes I'm a little bit behind on the beauty game. Like, I don't get my beauty news like right away. But yeah, I hope you guys like these videos. If there's something that you want me to try, let me know down below in the comments, and I will try them as long as it doesn't go off of my weekly budget, because I do have a weekly budget that I try not to go over, you know, that mom life, that saving money in the bank life, that wanting to have a retirement fund life, that trying to pay off my home life. But anyways, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please like it down below. Share with those that you know, leave a comment, say something, you know, I do read my comments. And like I mentioned before, if y'all didn't know, I do own a sticker shop. The sticker shop is a side thing that I do that I really love and enjoy. If you guys want to check out my sticker shop, the link to my Etsy shop is also down below. But yeah, so that's pretty much the end of this video. So like the video, comment, hit notify all, it's a thing. Subscribe to this channel if you want to. I will catch you guys in the next video, so remember to always rock on. Bye guys. Da, da, da. Oh, by the way, 3 days ago I had that zit. 3 days later, it's gone. Oh my gosh, look at KL showing some of that skin. Hey Sloppy Nation, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a favorites video. So last month I did my July favorites and I actually titled it my August favorites because I have major mom brains, but I know this is going to be my August favorites. And I am gonna try